Welcome back to this wonderful LeetCode series. Today we are going to solve the question number 9, palindrome of a number. So we will solve this question with a twist so that your calculations will be minimized. Okay. So palindrome means we have to reverse a number, and after reversing this number, if this number reads the same as the original number, therefore we can tell it as it's a palindrome number. 121, if it reads in the reverse order, it is still 121. Therefore it's a palindrome number. If we consider negative numbers are not palindrome numbers, because minus 121, if it is reversed, it will be minus 121. Okay, same follows in the strings also. Okay, so 10 is 01, therefore it returns the false. Okay, so topics are maths. So you can do the mathematics. You must know a little bit of mathematics to solve this question, and let's solve it. So first we will handle the base case. So what is the base case over here? The base case is if any number is negative, if any number x is less than 0, therefore it is not a palindrome number, right? So we have to return the false. Good. As you can see over here. And another thing is, if you take the number which are multiple of 10s, like here, like 10 is a multiple of 10, it's not a palindrome. If you take 20, which is also multiple of 10, it is also not the palindrome. If you consider 100, it is 001, therefore it is also not a palindrome number. You can take any number. If you take anyone 5000, it's not a palindrome number. Okay, so in conclusion we can tell any number which is multiple of 10, it's not a palindrome number, right? So we can handle the base case by writing, if my x is negative, x is less than 0, then we have to return false. So instead of writing one more if statement, we can continue this by writing if or else, or if my x is multiple of 10, x modulo 10 will give me multiple of 10s. Okay, if my x modulo 10 is 0, then I can tell it as it's not a palindrome number. Okay, good. But one thing is, if I divide 0 by 10, if I take, right, so 0 is also multiple of 10 because it returns the 0, right? So therefore this condition will become true and it will return the false, right? But 0 is a palindrome number. Okay, and a number which is only one time, therefore it is a palindrome number. 0 to 9 digits are a palindrome number. Okay, therefore we don't have to return false for the 0. We have to return true, right? Therefore we have to write one more condition. If x modulo 10 is equal to 0, and if my x is not equal to 0, right? If my x must not be 0. Okay, then we have to return the false. Okay, x should not be equal to 0. So here we have handled the base case, right? Then let's come to the mathematics section. So how mathematics will help us? So if you take this number which is 121, let's take it. So what I can do is, first I can take a number. How I have to reverse it, right? So what I will do is, I can use the loops to iterate it, but to iterate I have to iterate from the end of the number, like from the let's take 123. I have to iterate from 3, then 2, then 1. Okay, so then it will be reversed as 3, 2, 1. Good. So for this I have to first detach this 3 number from 12. After that I have to store it in some variable 3, right? So I have to store this 3 in some variable. After that, from 12 I have to detach 2 and add it with the number 3, which is 32. Then after that I have to take 1 and I have to concatenate it with 32, so it will become 3, 2, 1. So how we can do it? If I take for detaching of the number, what I can do is, if I divide 123 by 10, right? So if I divide 123 by 10, what I will get is 123 by 10, I will get the number as 12, like which is 12.3. So if because x is an integer number, it will take only 12. Okay, after I will again divide 12 by 10, then I will get number 1.2. so it's an integer number, then it will store 1. Okay, when I will divide again 1 with the 10, it will be in something 0 point, so my answer will be 0. So when I will reach to 0, I will terminate the loop. Good. Okay, so this is how we can detach the numbers, right? So first thing is I have to take one loop. I will use for loop over here, because when we want to reach the null number and null pointers or 0, while loops are good for this. So if my x is greater than 0, okay, so x divide is equal to 10. So x divide is equal to 10 is nothing but x is equal to x by 10, right? So here, so in this way we detach the number, right? But the main thing is we have to reverse it. Okay, so for this I will define one variable as reversed. Okay, let's take this reverse, then I will store number 0 in it. Just write it r. Okay, it will do too much cumbersome to write the complete reverse, something like that. So I will declare one variable r. In that I will store the number as 0. Always the Java will store some garbage value. Sometimes your answer will get something 0. Okay, some different number, even if you do the correct calculations. Okay, good. But here I will not run the loop till it becomes 0. Okay, what I will do is to reduce the calculations. Okay, reduce the calculation. What I will do is I will run it till the half of this loop. Okay, like if you take 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 1, let's take this, or 1 2 1 2, so it will become, let me write 3 and 1 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, it will be 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, good. So this is a palindrome number. So what I will do is here I will run the loop till the half. Okay, I will just run the length up to the 123. It will be half over here, or it will be 12 if you take, and I will reverse this number only. I will just reverse. Okay, this is the first half. Okay, so this is my half number. Then after that I will just reverse the number 21. Okay, I will just reverse the number 21. It will become 12. So therefore any number which should be in between, it will be considered as palindrome only for the odd length. Okay, so for the even length also it follows the same. So by this I will be reducing the calculation, instead of going till the 0 and reversing it, then again checking it. It is also efficient. It's a good solution, but I can just do some less calculations. Okay, for that what I will do is I will run the loop till my x is greater than r. Well, till my x is greater than r, I will run the loop. Greater than r, I will run the loop. Then after that, what I will do is, so the calculations are r is equal to reverse multiply by 10 plus x modulo 10. So how it's working? So first of all, let's check it out. X modulo 10. What it will do? X modulo 10 means if you take 123, if you do modulo 10, it will give you the remainder. Okay, what's the remainder? So remainder is 3, right? So 12 will be discarded and 3 will remain. So 3. Okay, r into 10. Okay, so first it will be 0. So 0 into 10 is 0. Then it will store 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. So in reverse 3 is stored, but for the next iteration we need to have 30, so that when I will add 2 to it, it will become 32. Therefore we are multiplying it by 10. Okay, 32 will be multiplied again with the 10, it will become 320. Then after that I can add 1, therefore it will become 321. This is how it works, right? So we have to write the returning statement. So return x is equal to r, so for the even length, and if x is equal to r by 10 for odd length. Okay, so if x is okay, like if you take even length, so what will be the even length? Okay, let's take just 4 times 1. Okay, 4 times 1 will be, okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 times 1 will be 4 times 2. Then when we reverse it, in reverse we will be storing r is equal to 22, and in x we will be having x is equal to 22. So for the for even length we don't need to do this by 10. Okay, for the odd length we have to do by 10, because in the if you consider this solution, in r we will be storing 12, right, and in x in r it will be storing 123, and in x it will be storing 12. Okay, so we have to discard this 3. Okay, it will just remove the middle number. 3 will be discarded and 12 will be equal to 12, therefore we'll get the answer. Let me just submit this solution. Okay, so 5 milliseconds. If you need, we will just dry run this code. So let me take x is equal to 1 2 3 2 1. Good. Then my r is equal to 0. Then the step, okay, so x, then after that my last digit of x, right, then after that my reversed number. Okay, let me make as reverse. Okay, so first my x will be 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 2. Okay, just okay, reverse 1 2 3 2, and my digit will be 1. Okay, and when I reverse it, it will be 1 only. Then after that my digit will be 120, my x will be 123, and the digit is stored as 2. Then my reversed number is 12, because we are concatenating digits 1 and after that 2. Then after that my number will be x12 and my digit will be 3. When I concatenate all 3 digits, it will be 123. Okay, so you can see here the x length is greater. You have to run the loop till when the x is greater than r. So 12 is now less than 123. Therefore this loop will terminate because of the false condition, right? So it will come here, x will be equal to 12 and my r will be equal to 123. So as you can see here, my or condition, x is double equal to r by 10. So for the odd length I have to do the 10, therefore it will become 12 now. Then my x is 12, my r is 12, therefore it will return the true. Okay, so I'm very glad to see you here. We'll meet in the next video.